So this song now, they don't change it to Christian song. Baba, me, mom, why shock me? Now, you know, something Nigeria, we can spoil anything.
It go shock you.
We can Limpopo. You don't hear the gospel version of Limpopo?
No.
Ah, you never hear? Hey,
You are a Limpopo.
you don't hear them, Daddy. You are a Limpopo. You are a Limpopo. Child, Limpopo. You never hear them? I go bring the guy who sing them.
Okay.
Come, the guy who sing that Limpopo.
Limpopo, Daddy.
Limpopo, yeah, Limpopo, Limpopo, Daddy, Limpopo. Now only Teddy G song you know if you change to gospel song.
It go shock you.
That song, that Run Mad. You think that song?
can only run.
I want to change them to gospel song.
They'll change that, you know.
Who want change them?
How they want
But
to
they don't put mad.
You can run for the Lord. You can only run for the Lord. When you want to make heaven. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Favor, how you doing?
Fine.
Hello.
They do and taking.
Good evening. Would they hear you?
Are they hear what you talk?
Oh. And would they
Say
talk
whether it's now.
Honan. Honan. Okpayemi from Lokoja, good evening. Yeah. What in the have Okpayemi, good evening. Hello. Hello. Okay, they have lose it. Now, welcome back on Top of the Night Show. In case you just join us, and at the matter when they say concern one guy, when they say done the wipe one woman for since 2010 for 2 years, the guy can't move, enter Lagos. I say move, enter Lagos, fall in love with one girl, love the girl, ask the girl, make the girl marry him, the girl agree to marry him. Now, when they call reach out, finally, lo and behold, now the woman where in the wipe that time is sugar mommy, now the daughter, now one marry. Now the woman now don't tell and talk, say, okay, you go wipe me one last time, just one last time, and we go forget, tell me you ever wipe before. Meanwhile, now the woman self, now one pay money for their full wedding. If now you be this guy, what are you going to do? Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How you there, my sister? How is you?
I'm fine.
I beg, if you reduce your TV volume.
You say?
Reduce your TV volume.
Okay, well, I'll be busy.
Oh yeah, now tell us what you think about this matter. If not you, what you go do?
I not go wipe am. I go wipe my mother-in-law.
You go wipe am?
Yes.
Why you go wipe am?
I will just wipe am because he did bad and I won't marry the girl. I will wipe am.
You go just wipe am so that I swear, and Justina, I love you. So you go just wipe am. Just wipe am. Just help the mother-in-law for the one last time. Wipe am so that she go still come on money for the wedding. You marry daughter, just wipe am. When she come on Mugo too, you wipe am. You know, you wipe. Anyway, Justina, thank you very much. From Ojo, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm gonna do Catherine.
Oh, now, brother, me. Good evening, one.
Are you there?
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Lucky.
I thank you for the gift you give me for the last time I called.
Oh, nice one. Thank you. Thank you.
If not for me,
yes.
As far the woman not go stop the marriage.
Okay.
I go just wipe the woman and get my baby.
If the woman come on Mugo,
they come on Mugo, I go to close my eye now. I go to trap every time.
All right, thank you very much, Lucky. Hello from Benin, good evening.
Hello.
Samson, how now?
Good evening. Hello, good evening.
We dey hear you.
We dey hear you. How your side?
Where you are, Delilah?
Fine. My Delilah, she's fine.
I beg, Samson, if not you, what do you go do for this matter?
For me, this matter, I guess I have no choice. I have to wipe the mother. I have to wipe the mother.
Why?
Because for the wedding to go ahead.
Just wipe her for one last time.
Yes, now.
If she come on Mugo, uncle.
No chance again. If you come on Mugo, no chance.
Hello, Wala. Samson, thank you very much. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of TV. Make you begin the call us, make we know what you think about this matter. On top Twitter, Adekunle Oxano Jide say, now to wipe the woman shop so just do the last wiping for the mama.
But you never, that's the anyway. You know, say this kind of wiping. You think say you go just wipe up like that and they come out.
My sister, I know what I go do if not me. I know what I'm going to do.
Now you now need
see, more talk true.
Yeah.
More talk true. I'm not supposed to talk my own opinion. But as the case is right now, these guys won't know what he go do. You understand? And so from Lagos, good evening.
Hello?
Hello, ma, good evening.
Good evening, Edu.
How you doing, my brother?
I did fine.
I beg, for this matter, if now you, what you go do?
In fact, I go condition the mama.
Oh, how?
Tell them say, if she say she will make a weapon for the last time,
Yes.
They made the wedding continue,
Yes.
Make she forget about when she come for Mugo, nothing will happen.
Okay. And how you go take make sure say nothing happen when she come on Mugo?
I go condition her now before we do the last
condition
time.
What if your wife wants to say, why my mama not come for Mugo? What you go tell her?
If your wife go ask you say why mama not come on Mugo, what you go tell her?
No, the mama, I don't stop the mama from coming for Mugo. Make she come, but no wiping. At the last wiping with that. The condition with that.
Una go sign them anywhere.
You say?
Una go sign contract.
Or now just word of mouth.
I mean, just word of mouth.
Nah, verbal, nah, just words of mouth. We thought we agree. Not be condition. You see the condition.
Anyway, Enoma, thank you very much.
Conditioner.
Abio, thank you very much. Now your own opinion. Now you talk so. Thank you very much.
No problem.
From Kaduna, good evening.
Something I easy said that.
Florence. Floxy baby.
Floxy baby.
I'm not feeling fine.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong to you?
I have a headache.
Oh,
Oya,
sorry.
take kiss. Are you better now?
Yes, yes,
Receive the healing. If now you, what do you go do?
I know the wife.
Now be say you know want marry the girl be that.
No, because that time one they tempting. They fit catch us now.
They fit. Oh, if they not catch you now, come.
No, that one na bad thing. Because that one, things you don't know that time. God don't forgive them. For this one where you know kind of big thing.
Okay. No wahala. I like your points.
I'm feeling you won't hear, ba?
Now.
No, I will tell you later.
You see?
So, later I go take Panadol.
Oh yeah, now thank you. Go take Panadol,
Floxy baby.
Emanuela from Kaduna, good evening.
Good evening, Edo.
How is you, my sister?
Fine, easy beat.
Hello, good evening.
How was now?
Fine, good day, Jerry.
Emanuela, if now you, what you go do? If now you, what you go do for this matter?
I don't see that one as any option.
You not go wipe, Abi, you go wipe.
You not go wipe, Abi, you go wipe.
I no go try and say. I'll just report to the Pekin.
So, wait first. You say you go report to the Pekin?
Yeah, I will make the Pekin understand some kind of things first.
Wait, if you report to the Pekin now, what if you they try to gain by reporting to the Pekin? What do you think you go get by reporting the Pekin?
You won't gain anything, but maybe the Pekin tries to know what's in the world.
Then you now come break up, Abi? You now come break up, Abi?
If she feel like, but if she no feel like, if she won't continue, she'll continue.
Okay. Emanuela, thank you very much.
And this is the I say.
Emanuela be like
if at the end of the day, if at the end of the day, you know, so me too, I think, if at the end of the day, you can't tell your Pekin, say, babe, see as they go, switch your mama, what can I do? If at the end of the day, the girl understand, you know, so you feel make that your wife and the mom become enemy for life.
That's another thing.
That's another thing people don't know.
Enemy for life.
And this, in case you don't know, this girl is the only daughter.
That's why I'm the only girl now.
Only girl. In case you don't know. Now, if you go, the guy can go tell the mama, telling the mama is not even an option. As in the guy telling the babe, not be option at all.
Now something when I sure say it could fit handle. Anyway.
Easy bit. Imagine, say your babe now, for example, Doralicious now. I'm going to answer this call first of all. Or Mimi. Right, Lokoja, good evening. Emila.
If you don't suffer for you,
hello.
It's not good.
Hello.
Good evening.
Oh, 1 minute.
Good evening.
Emeyela.
Yeah. No, it's Elena, not Elena.
Nina.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lokoja.
Lokoja. Okay. Which language, Ebira?
Yoruba from Kwara State.
Okay. I beg, what you get to talk on top of this matter?
I wipe the woman.
You go wipe them straight.
Yeah.
No thinking twice.
You know, sound
No,
like
I
you
wipe
see as
her
you
straight.
talk.
So far we are before.
So far, I don't they wipe them before.
Yes.
You go wipe them again.
Yes.
So if she say we're gonna continue to wipe after that last wipe, nko?
Pardon?
If she say after the last wipe, if she can't ask for wiping again, uncle.
No, she will not ask again.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay, Emela, thank you very much.
I don't know.
From Yola, good evening. Simon.
Yeah, good evening, Edu. How you doing?
I did find my brother. How today?
How you know? Kasim, how you doing now?
See me here, right there, my brother. Agbado, for what will you do?
If it is me, so far, since on the wipe before now, I go wipe them.
You can wipe them not because they force you to wipe them, yours because you want wipe them.
But the thing is, the problem is, I'm not sure say that wipe you go to the last one.
Oh!
Oh,
Simon,
you dey laugh.
Simon, you are there.
Simon Peter, you are
Simon,
the
are you with me?
I'm with you.
Thank you very much, Simon.
Hey, Simon Peter, but I don't know whether that will be the last wipe.
Easy bit. See, is it the thing? It dey one kind. The question I want to ask you. Imagine now, say, okay, somebody say, two put on to say it na me, I will call the girl, I will tell the girl, say, switch your mama and do, switch your mama and do. Now, do two things. The girl go hate you. Take it or leave it. The girl go hate you.
Why? Why?
Wait. First of all, the girl go first hate the mama.
That one.
Kind of number one, for trying to wipe the person where she want marry.
The first emotion could be disbelief and disgust.
And disgust. And you now, when you can't deal with them, when you dey hold them, when you dey kiss them, in association,
and she don't respond to you. She could know how. She don't
you know
say,
how she go remember.
So
she go remember
my
the mama.
mommy could respond to you that time.
That way, she go stop. It go affect.
Then he could say,
So that one said, Charles from Oshun, good evening, John. Sassy.
Chalusu.
Sass.
Hey.
Anyway, call us back. You understand?
Tweet message. My God. Yeah. Some say the tweet, the plenty tweet don't enter.
Oh yeah, now begin read all of them.
Yeah, you want to kill me. We are going to share the burden now. Aisha next, he said the woman no love her pikin at all. Ogunde Samson about what if na test the mama won't test the guy to confirm if he really love her pikin.
Okay.
Make the guy waka pass Joe, free the mama.
Guy, you dey here.
Mercy Johnson
You
said
know that kind of thing now.
it's possible.
If you be testing.
Mercy Johnson said easy. Them no fit be enemies because he go explain to her say he sabi the mama long time before her. She, the daughter, fit suppose understand.
That one is quite different. You sabi my mama before. I know quarrel with you for that one. But now we say me and you won't become
my mama can't say make you wipe am
suggest against someone I do. I mean, she don't even put me for inside.
You understand? Not even consider you whether you go pay you or not go pay you.
You understand?
Miss almost say I no go wipe am because now there she fit take carry belle. If the marriage no work, better say I no go get peace. It better pass say I no go get peace for the rest of my life.
Okay.
Aisha say if you wipe once, you go wipe forever. Because the attraction still there. One day, the wife must to catch them. Mr. Johnson say, why I could come wipe my mama, my bride mama, still go stand for church, they do foul.
I do.
I be bad husband be that now. If my wife wipe my papa, how I could feel. Ike Bankole say, waiting there be say, if you wipe them, now forever you could wipe them they go because she could put you for condition always.
I beg, we put people in the call on the whole since. Sorry, good evening from Kano. See me?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
How you doing, my brother?
Fine, no.
How today?
Fine, we thank God, sir.
I beg, for this matter, if it is you, what are you going to do?
Sir, if me, I'm going to wipe out because you will use what you have to get what you want to get.
Okay, use your tongue to count your teeth.
So, see me, make I ask you now. If she can't come, if your wife now come born, where she can't come ask for a lunch, wife, you ask her for lunch. Mommy, what are you going to eat? Say you nah.
No, I will hinder her from coming. It's my own mother that will come.
What you can't tell the girl, mama say, why mama not gonna come on
I will say the firstborn is my mother that will come first.
But your mother go go now.
Your mother
Even
not go.
if na 3 months, your mother stay. Your mother go go now. So which kind of reason you could give? Say na reason why your mother no fit come.
No, I will just stop the woman from coming because I know the wife is going to continue if she comes.
So she not go visit your house at all.
She not go come home.
Naim bad pass.
Anyway, see me. Thank you very.
If she go call me and tell me, then I will stop her that we are not going to wipe. That is all before she comes.
All right, no one. Oh, you go tell her say no wiping, no, just in case.
Wiping, no.
Content only.
See me. Thank you. Ijoma, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How you doing?
Fine, Kasim. How are you today?
Fine, you.
Easy, how now?
Fine, good evening.
Well done.
Thank you. EG, how we? I would if now you what you go do for this matter?
The matter they say they do and before now. Maybe you know. That's what they do before.
Yes.
So if you do this last one, maybe the last one.
So if now you go just enter, just
Now the road where they pass before, I know the new road.
One more time.
So you go just wipe am one more time for one for the road.
One more time.
One more time, you know,
yes.
so that you know how it used to be that time.
Nedu, now for you.
Ijoma, thank you very much.
For the sake of the girl, no.
Oh, because of the girl, Okwaya?
Yes.
No, because of the girl.
And you gonna tell the girl, baby, you don't know the sacrifice I've done for you.
I do this one.
Then you gonna tell the mama say, honestly, it's because of your daughter.
All right, no one. I'm going to go checking in. We'll come back. We'll continue to Ontop the matter. Easy bit. On top of the night show, in case you just join us for the night show, in case you just join us, what thing we did discuss like the matter of one guy where they be say him for 2010 he get one woman where they do wiping for Port Harcourt. Then the guy go to wipe the woman as sugar mommy now, but the woman still fine, she still set well. The woman they give the guy money, you know, all those things. Now after 2 years, now the guy leave Port Harcourt, come Lagos, can't get work for Lagos. Now 3 years down the line, now the guy don't
for this Lagos when he comes
for this Lagos, down the line, the guy don't fall in love with one babe, don't need that beg the girl, will you marry me? The girl don't agree. Lo and behold, the guy don't say make he go meet the parents of the people. Know? Not only the mama of the girl now remain. Now the woman were in the wife for 2010. Now
be the mama of the girl when he want marry.
Now the mama already tell the girl self, say make you no worry, say for her wedding she go take care of everything.
She the mama go take care of everything to
because
honeymoon
she
to
get
everything.
the money honeymoon. The woman can say he must wipe her one last time.
Naim be the condition.
Naim be the condition before he go give carry go. So the guy now don't
the guy
know what to do. If now you, what are you going to do? Hello, who are you on the line? Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Nedu. How you doing?
I did fine, my brother. How is you?
I'm fine.
I beg, if now you, what you go do for this matter?
Actually, this thing with involved now marriage now they involved.
Okay.
You understand? So that woman where they say make you wipe am for the last time.
The mother of the girl.
That mother, that woman, I tell you, a big temptation it be. And as it takes, if that guy venture try am,
yes.
He go lose the mother and he go lose the girl.
So what do you advise me?
So what do you advise me the guy do?
So my advice is say may he no try am, because if he ever try am, let me just tell the mother just want to text the love of that guy.
Whether because the mother knows say the guy they do that thing like that.
So the mother want know whether the guy
don't change.
Like that.
Whether he don't change
or
not.
He don't lose the guy. And if you try him at all, even if he no lose the guy, definitely he will not be happy in that marriage because it will continue. Okay. So better for him to just let go. Even if he lose the girl, no problem. That means that girl is not meant for him.
Okay. Chris, thank you very much.
Chris,
thank you very much.
Chris, don't talk am hold her. Yours as he be.
Chris, don't talk am as he be on top Twitter.
Gideon Chook Eye say, you guys good like old palm wine.
Okay.
From Kaduna, good evening. Hello.
Nedu.
Hey, sweetie.
How you doing?
Fine, Kali baby. How is you, baby?
Ma. You're looking good.
Oh, thank you, sweet girl. You too, you are looking good.
Hello, good evening.
If now you what you go do?
Just want my opinion. Okay.
You go wife, I feel for wife.
Okay, I will tell you later. After you drop for now, I will tell you.
Okay. Nedu.
Swiri.
If na me, I no go wipe.
Why you not go wipe?
Na set up.
Now set up.
Now set up. What to make you feel na set up?
Na set up. If no be set up, na continue something. You go continue the wipe.
So
somebody where you don't wipe before, as you see you remember the wiping what they do. Not be to continue the wipe.
You remember the snake and ladder?
And this way.
Now continue to go there.
All right, no, Alakali, thank you very much.
If me be the guy, I no go do
all right, thank you. Rose, good evening.
Good evening, no.
How you there, Rose?
Fine.
You want to greet Izzy Abi?
My name is Rose, though. From Winsman, Rose.
Okay, Rose from Rose from Winsman.
From Winsman, yes.
Oh.
Oya talk, we hear you.
I want to be the pastor for this.
You want to
be the one, it's not me.
Yes.
I will leave the girl because it's not good to make love with the mother and make love with the daughter.
Okay.
So it's not I will leave the girl.
Okay.
Because after she's a Nigerian girl. It's like China. They for marriage themselves. I just said Nigeria. You know, good. I thought to the family.
That's right.
All right, thank you very much, Rose from Wima. Thank you very much. I can retweet messages, Biko.
He say,
yeah, retweet messages, Biko.
He say, Messi say, maybe una advise him to tell the girl, cause na 2 years ago she forgive him. But if he wipe the mama, it could be fresh wiping and distrust.
Oh, wait, I beg, make una advise him to tell the girl because na 2 years ago. No, 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Okay. Before we continue for the tweet, from Asaba, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, Joy?
I just
Joy, if na you this matter, what you go do?
Make the body try it be like spectacle the in between water, land and fire. Make it come.
Get what?
Make you know do one.
Okay, make it not wipe the mama.
Yes, because my temptation and you cannot use one thing to cover another. Even if you continue now, you go continue to the demand for her.
Okay. All right.
So make it not start.
Make it not start waiting enough to finish.
Yes. So make it not start. If you want one because of money, let's remember say before he proposed to get, you don't prepare money when you say marriage get.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you very much, Joy.
Finish.
Back to Twitter.
There's no two ways about this issue because both are familiar to the road, say Mohammed El Kamal. He say, I don't think the guy should make issue where there's no issue. Also, what does that mean? Queen Saida say, I know could wipe the mother-in-law. Maybe she won't taste the guy to see how much she love her daughter. Katim, you look like Naija.
Somebody in this wait for line. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Debbie.
How now?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
We did fine. Hey, Chukma for this matter.
Okay, the mother-in-law is demonic.
It's demonic?
Yes, it's demonic. After the guy, I advise him to go and look for another lady. But that is not the last lady on earth.
So that the demon spirit's not going to enter them too?
And the mother-in-law is demonic.
That demon not go, because if in Duam, the demon go can't leave the mama, can't enter the boy,
Yes.
Oh yeah, Deborah.
You are looking good.
Thank you very much, Deborah.
Right. Okay. Bye. Oh.
Bye. Thank you.
You know, say when we talk this thing, I say, I wonder waiting Eloha.
Eloha! Eloha, I know what you go do. Tell me, just talk.
No. This one a sensitive matter, not be. We are not for the dollars na topic self.
No, my Eloha, the way na email they send us messages on top Twitter, on top Instagram, and the rest of them.
Okay, no problem. You got waiting. I want to draw your attention to before this matter went big ground. So
okay,
they don't transplant wiping instruments now. I read that for paper that the other day for South Africa.
Yeah, they do them.
So you know, sure, all these big men they where they are wiping system on the wall, so they're not going to kidnap people. They transplant wiping system. Because I dey fear now. They fear.
You dey fear for
You
yourself.
dey fear. You know what you gonna do? Hello, you know any welder where they around where you dey?
That's it.
Look for welder. Make them do that iron punch. Where go cover?
Where get padlock?
And a password. That's safe. You know what that's safe? That can password 04. Now they go use it. Only your wife go get them.
And if you try to force the password, it go lock.
It go lock.
Okay. Then for this matter where they go so, make the guy not do one.
May not do am.
At all.
Make him not marry the girl.
Because that thing has set up.
Why you fixing a setup?
See, somebody when you don't wipe before. The mindset, anytime you see her, the mind must go there and say, this good time when we don't, good old days when we don't get together.
Burglary hanging, you know.
Yes, it don't happen to me before, in those days. You understand?
It don't happen to
you. A woman I got married to.
Okay.
So, I can't get problem. Because there was a time I was a widower, though I don't remarry now.
Okay.
So, the woman, not they say, I see my children, not they say, I see me. So, we can't get problem. My children can't run, leave her for us.
Okay.
So, when he called the crib, they come, one day before, we are for the work, he see my car, he called Brian, say, so to cut the long story short, we can't go house. He said, he forget the wedding certificate. Say, as I run, so he be like, say, as we reach out, he called they beg. Before I look, he stripped herself naked in front of me. You understand? But play joke apart. As I look at temptation to resistance.
Your body begin shake. Convulsion.
You understand? So as I just embrace her like say I don't forgive her. Now so I push her outside of my room. I can't lock door. You know all those kind of things. You know good make they use all those kind of sensitive issues take place.
Yes.
Because your mother-in-law in the native law and custom is your mother. They call her my mother.
Yes, it be like your mother.
Yes,
law,
so you cannot make
according
love
to the law.
your mother. You cannot make love to your mother.
Yes.
So if the way you don't do before, that one don't pass. But
Yes.
if the woman say make them repeat and make it forget it.
Okay.
Yes, that is my take.
Hello, thank you very much.
Hello, talk with strong voice.
Hello, good evening.
You know, personal experience.
Hello.
Inside. Hello.
Miracle.
It's a miracle.
Miracle, sorry, we know say you don't wait, Tete.
Yeah.
Miracle. I beg no vex, Miracle. Call us back. Sorry, say we'll keep you on the line too long. May you call us back. Back to Twitter.
Yeah. Abraham. Oh.
You don't forget the.
Oh. Yeah, me.
Ma read what Sam Adere talk. Sam Adere say Leviticus chapter 18 verse 17 say God said, "Thou shalt not uncover the nakedness of a woman and her daughter." The guy should just walk away. Danger.
No, my own be say why no fit call the girl. Talk to him. The girl if it won't be your flesh of your flesh and the bone of your bone and the toothpick of your toothpick. I feel all and all, although when I make fear, you should be able to to sit down about my sweat girl.
See what's in there.
See what's in there. You know, no be say, you know me now, say I no plan am like that. But if to talk to them, you know, say easy bit never still tell us.
No, easy
bit. Make an answer.
Answer because we go soon go.
Okay. If not me, for the benefit of those people who don't ask questions, if not me, trust me, I know good wrong.
Okay.
I know
but
say you
I
know
go
good
try hard to beg this woman because let me say. Now I don't already dey indebted to the daughter. Yes. I don't owe her already. So if I do am now, I go offend her. So I go beg the mama. That's the least I can do. I go beg her.
Anyway, our last caller from Abuja. Good evening.
Hello, Nedu. Good evening.
Bimba, where has you been?
This is not live. It's busy past presidential.
My dear, what are we going to do? So Bimba, how far? If now you, what do you go do?
I no go wipe.
You go just abuse.
Why? This is a lot don't talk and finish now.
No, leave a lot. You.
Now your husband they talk so. Now your husband they talk.
Oh, na family members.
No, my daughter.
Now you get voice like man so. Anyway, thank you very much, Bimbo. And then on top Twitter say, Zara say, if I'm the guy, I wouldn't wipe her at all. Will tell my fiancé if she loves me, she'll understand it is my past life. Yes, and as for the lady and her mom, they won't be in good times for a while, but they can't quarrel forever, so they will settle at last. For last Shewa talk say, make the guy no wipe, as they always say, say once
beaten,
twice shy. And then Sam Adeoye don't first talk for Leviticus. It say, if a man take a wife and a mother, it is its wickedness, they shall be burnt with fire. There shall be
and brimstone.
In the Bible, well, I go tell the girl, Mama, if she insists, make I wipe. If she make I wipe, I go tell the daughter. If she not agree, I go let the girl know my pass with the mama.
Everybody, you waiting, you go do.
See, me, if not me, very simple. I not go wipe. Because, see,
it not just sound all right.
It don't make sense. It don't get how you want to qualify him. I don't tell this guy. Say, guy, this is not waiting that they discuss. Not waiting they discuss. This is what I think you should do. You don't understand? But it's okay. Now, my own opinion. Say, go like, make everybody talk what they get for the matter. Now, you don't hear them. Most people first talk, say, then go wipe. But for me, I'm not go wipe. Two things. You put yourself and your family where you don't make for trouble.
Like you gamble with
gamble with your family destiny. You gamble with your own destiny. Because biblically, if they're wrong for you to wipe woman, come wipe the daughter at the same time. Children, when they bring, what do you want begin to tell the children? So kind cause feed on the children, you not go know.
You know, what if you just sleep money for house, your mother-in-law there and you just come tap you, say, I want to see you in the sitting room. What do you want to tell them?
Hey, what you want to tell them?
Because once you just say yes, you begin that one more time, no, they ever finish.
One more time, not they finish.
No, they ever finish.
Anyway, so for Ontop, Sam and Sandra say, I no go wipe, I go call the baking, call the mama, say she go talk what she talked before. Okay, then two go there and she go choose me or the mama.
Then that
mommy, that's the way you tell me, Oya tell me.
Say no first, me just talk and make everybody.
And then Hakim say, I swear, me go wipe as far as the woman mean am, but if she want to make it continue, I will drop the girl instantly. And then Aisha say, the woman no love her pikin at all. Ogunde, what if not test be that one? Well, we'll not to get time again. Tweet messages plenty. I beg, make una no vex. Say we'll not take all our tweet messages. Make una no vex at all.
Yeah, but say, if I will not wipe, if I'm the one, because the in-law is her mother. My greetings to Easy Beats.
Easy Beats, he get person wake call.
Every day we go to write the number of people when they create this Easy Beat.
He get one girl wake call. Where say me then give him Easy Beat number. My sister, I will give it to you. Follow him on Twitter. You go see the number there. It's very, very
easy. You are looking cool from your darling Messi. #wings.
Okay. Anyway, my brother, you don't hear what everybody get to talk. Personally, I go tell you, say, okay, make you not do am. Not do am. Sit the girl down, sit the mama down. If first of all, before you talk, explain to the girl, see what thing don't happen, see what thing don't happen, see what your mama they ask for me, so that peace go there and you said you go enjoy your life. Good night.